Okay guys, I am excited to show off these products that I just received. I don't know if I'm saying the name of this company right, but it's Rituel de Fille. Go ahead and laugh at me if I'm saying that wrong. But this is the company that has the anti-highlight that was popular a couple years back. And I wanted to get my hands on some. So what I ordered was, I ordered Enchanted Lip Sheer in the color Moonseed, a Forbidden Lipstick in the color Ravenous, and that Inner Glow Cream Pigment Eclipse, which is that black anti-highlighter thing. And then they sent me their July Moondrop, which is a unreleased, as of this point, rare light luminizer sample. So I want to go ahead and take a look at these products. The little sampler came in this container. So it just looks like a highlighter. I'll try it out at some point, but not right now. It smells like medicine. Here's a product that had been deemed the anti-highlighter thing. Nice. And it has a mirror too. Well, since I have a mirror here, I'll go ahead and try the sample that they sent me. It smells like medicine. I don't like the smell. I don't know, I can't see that it's doing anything. I'm gonna swatch the black anti-highlighter thing. And it's just very, very creamy. Now they say it can be used as contour, eyeshadow, and lipstick. And so let's go ahead and try it on the lips and see what that looks like. I don't like the smell of these products. They smell like medicine. So far I don't think I would wear it necessarily as a lipstick. It just kind of makes my lips look a little dirty. But on their website it does say that these products are unlike any other kind of makeup in the way they're made, and that means you're also supposed to use them different than you do other makeup. And so it might take some trial and error to see, you know, how to use it the way it's advertised that it's supposed to be used. I am going to use these products in a look coming up, but I want to play around with them some first and kind of get the feel for them so I can do them justice. I saw It's Black Friday did a video, and she, you know, wasn't all that favorable with it, and also Sophia Nygaard did a video with it, and she wasn't all that favorable either. But I don't think they actually took the time to really learn how to use the product the way the company says you need to. Alright, so I'm going to look at the lip sheer. These products are cruelty-free. Alright, the first thing I noticed, and I don't know if the camera will pick this up, there are bubbles in it. There's two pretty big bubbles right there. And there's one right there. This is the first time I've taken it out of the package. Normally when lipstick has bubbles in it, it means there's a problem with the factory or the lab wherever they're making it and packaging it, so that's not a good sign. It also has that medicine smell, but I'm going to be brave and put it on. Right, now I can't blame how dry my lips are on the lipstick. That's just kind of the way I always am perpetually. Right, and this is a sheer lipstick, but it's also a very, very dark red color. And I like it. What I don't like is that all of these products have the same scent to it, and it's kind of like a Vicks Vapor Rub. And that's not very pleasant. But other than the scent, I like this lipstick, and I think it's going to go with a lot of looks that I like to do. It fits my darker aesthetic. So we have one more to try. Man, the lips are dry. Alright, this is not a sheer. It is the color Ravenous. And I think, if I remember right, on the website, it was advertised as supposed to be looking like the color of dried blood. Right, this one has a couple of small bubbles in it. Three small bubbles in it. And that same menthol Vicks Vapor Rub type smell. And I know I'm not doing the best with putting it on, and I didn't use a lip liner or anything. My lips are very dry, so we can blame my lips on any problem that, you know, if it's not looking great. The problem is not the lipstick, it is how dry my lips are. But again, I like this color too. It kind of looks just like the other one, the Moonseed, only it's not sheer. My lips are very hard to get lipstick on right because of my surgery. They're not even, and I have to navigate that scar, you know. But I like this, and I think I'm going to wear it. I'm going to leave it on and wear it. Alright, I am very excited about these, and like I said, I will be using them to make some more looks soon. I'm going to play around with them and kind of become familiar with the product and how to use them. And so yeah, this is something I'm very excited for, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.